to break the streak on Snapchat immediately. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can break the streak on Snapchat immediately. So if you want to break or delete the Snapchat streak immediately, you essentially have two main methods, either by manually breaking the streak or deleting your Snapchat account. However, here are the processes how you can handle each of these options. First of all, go and open up your Snapchat and navigate to the chat icon which is on the bottom. Once you are on your chat, you have to tap on the chat with that friend you have this streak with. Just go for any of the friend that you have this streak with. So once you are here, so you have to tap and hold the chat here and just go for the more option here. So once you are on your more option, you have to go for the clear chat. Just go for the clear chat from the feed. And once you are done, your conversation will be deleted and clear from your feed. So here you can see that your Snapchat streak has been deleted immediately. Also, you can log out from your account by tapping on your profile, going to the gear icon, and here you can see the logout option. Just tap on that. Once you have tapped on that, you can wait for some time before logging back in. This can also sometimes disrupt or streak, but it's not a foolproof method. Also, you can delete your Snapchat account to remove all data including the streak and managing or messaging the friend. So here you can see that you have to go for your setting and scroll down and go for the delete your account. And the page has been loading. You can delete your account from here and you have to verify and follow the on-screen instruction to delete your account. So in a summary, to break a Snapchat streak immediately, you can manually delete the chat or log out of your account. And also you can delete your account of your Snapchat. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily delete Snapchat streak. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.